My name is Galey Alix. Are you ready to see your new living room and dining room?
So ready.
You like to challenge me.
Oh, yeah.
But I like challenges. I'm a DIY renovation expert who's passionate about changing people's lives by transforming their homes. The catch is, I have to do it all on the weekends because Monday through Friday, I'm an executive at one of the largest investment firms on Wall Street. My process is pretty crazy. The only thing the client decides on is the budget. Then I get their credit card, the keys to their house, and 3 days later, they're surprised with the home of their dreams. I have one shot to get it right and to see it all together, but things don't always go according to plan.
I know that exhale, that's a no.
In order to pull off these projects in a weekend, my team and I spend months planning, ordering, and building because with my crew, we don't cut corners.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you!
It takes a lot of late nights, talent, and grit, but it's all worth it to give these families their home in a heartbeat.
So Galey, let's start at the beginning. Let's get the whole story.
Oh boy. My story really began when I was battling a serious mental health disease. Before entering recovery, I had posted some DIY videos of me working on my house onto my social media. A couple months later, I got back on social media. I logged into my accounts and I could not believe what had happened while I was in therapy. People all over the world were asking if I would help them design their dream home. My self-worth came back through helping other people. And that is when Galey Alix Design was born. This week, the project is for the McCarthy family, and we're calling it Project Dallas Palace because their dog's name is Dallas.
So we're the McCarthys. My name's Rachel. This is Jason. And we have 2 kids, Shane and Rylan, and we live in Boca Raton, Florida.
I'm recently retired from the military, so that allows me to be home all the time with the kids, Mr. Mom.
So we had just moved into the house and, we're talking about decorating. A friend of mine told me to follow Galey on social media. And so I reached out to her and she did message back and was probably out here maybe a month or 2 later. Galey came into our lives at a very difficult time. We were going through a lot as a family and had experienced a lot of loss.
Jason had recently lost his father, and I could tell they were going through a really hard time. And I think part of why they hired me wasn't just for the design. I think they wanted to get excitement and something to look forward to back in that home.
Phase 1 was our breakfast nook, the TV room, and kitchen area.
She's kind of a magician in that she shows up with you, she gets a feel for how you intend to use this space, and she says that the space just speaks to her, and she knows what needs to be in there.
Right when we finished phase 1, on reveal day, the first thing they said is, when can you come back to do the rest of the house? And so now we're starting phase 2.
So we love this house, but it's a little awkward. This area is asymmetrical, and we didn't really know how to use the space. And I just cannot wait to see what Galey does with it.
As much as I love working on Wall Street, my happy place is getting out of these clothes, being with my team on install, wearing a hat, getting my hands dirty. I'm so ready for phase 2. Let's go. I am so excited to see the McCarthys again. I love this family so freaking much. They're probably one of the best families we've ever worked with.
Aww.
Monica is my executive assistant, and she coordinates everything and just keeps the energy going. She keeps us on track. This is the official start of phase 2 of Dallas Palace. I'm ready, let's do it. Honey, we're home.
We're home. So we are talking about this area here, this awkward little L-shaped area.
Yeah.
We don't know what to do. We don't
You have amazing ceiling height, right? And it looks like you guys have been using it for a kid's play.
Yeah, so it's been taking over what I think most people would use a garage or a driveway for. When other people come over, it might be a little embarrassing.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm in a locker room.